In this lesson, you're going to learn about the cut, copy, and paste commands. So if I just zoom the document so that you can see clearly what I'm going to do, if I highlight the cell B2, then let's say I want to copy this one to cell G2, what I simply need to do is click on it, then using the Home tab, click Copy, and Victor is going to get matching ants. So if I want to move it to G2, I highlight the cell G2, then press the Enter key, and Victor is going to be copied over here. If I want Victor to be copied into several cells, what I simply need to do is click on Victor again, choose another copy selection. I can also use right click, copy again, then select several cells. Then once I press the Enter key, Victor is going to be copied into other cells at once. So let's say I want to cut Robert. Cut means remove from the original location and paste it into a new location. So I can highlight the cell B4, then click on the Home tab, then click on Cut, or select the cell B4, right click it, and also click Cut. Both of them achieve the same thing. But if I want it to be placed over here in cell H7, I simply hit the Enter key, and Robert is going to be cut into the new cell H7. But let's say if I want to copy Robert, so let's say undo that action again, and I want to copy Robert, to cut Robert and paste his name into several new cells. I select the number of cells I want his name to be cut and placed into. What I simply need to do, press Cut, select the cells. Sorry about that. If you have made a mistake, just press the End key, the Escape key, and the action is going to be null and void. So let's do that example once again. I want to cut Robert and place his name into several cells. So I simply need to press the word cut, or use the control keyboard shortcut Control X, or right click and use the shortcut cut. Select the number of cells that I want his name to be placed under, then press the Enter key, and his name is going to be cut and placed into the new cell. So let's say I want to move the whole of these names under column B into the new location, into the new workbook called Paste. So what I can do is press this keyboard shortcut, highlight the new worksheet called Paste, select the location where I want the paste to go under. Then I can use this paste. I can also right click on the first option of paste, and I will achieve the same function. I can double click on it to expand so that you can see the date range, and thus you have known how to now cut, copy, and paste documents from different cells and also from different worksheets into other cells in the same worksheet or into a different worksheet. See you in the next lesson.